a dream where I can roam the court and shoot hoops like Kobe Bryant. Oh, basketball, how amazing you are. How much I want to play alongside you. My name is Alex, and to me, basketball is a friend and the coolest sport in the world. Basketball is so easy and convenient to play. You only need a hoop and a ball. Whether you are playing with 9 people or playing by yourself, you can always have that exciting feeling. Do you feel it inside you? So amazing. That urge to run, to shoot, and have huge crowds chant your name. You hear that? Alex, 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 the basketball king! I went too far. Also, basketball keeps me healthy and fit. I used to be so fat, short, and ugly. Since I started playing, I became more confident. Look now, I have a 6-pack under the shirt, but I'm too shy to show it to you. After all, I need to care about my own image. My favorite basketball player is someone that you may all know. That's right, Kobe Bryant. I think he's awesome not only because of his skills, but also because of his mindset. His only goal is to win. For that, he's willing to sacrifice anything. He's willing to work for that goal day after day, year after year, for 20 years. I can't even study for 20 minutes. If we can all learn the attitude from him, the world will be so much better. Basketball is amazing due to its convenience. You become fitter and healthier as you continue playing. It's a sport that requires a lot of grit and devotion. While other sports can bring so many benefits, let me think. Only my dear basketball. Thank you, everyone.